Now the first step is to run this command to install phone link. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy it, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will install it, then try to launch phone link. Now in my case, it is already installed. Now still not working. The next step is to make sure date, time zone is correct. So at the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on, and then click on sync now. Sync now is important. If you receive any error, click on sync now multiple times. Once you see the tick over here, go to time and language, go to language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Now try to install. Still not working. The next step is to clear wsreset, clear store cache. Now for this, type in wsreset in Windows search box, and then click on ws run command. This will reopen Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset store app. Now for this, type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, app settings, scroll down. First of all, click on terminate, and then click on repair, and after the repair you can check. If that does not work, you can even reset. After the reset, open store, and then try to install it. Still not working. The next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open AppData folder. Open the local folder, and then find packages folder. Open the packages folder, scroll down, and find Microsoft Windows Store. And here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and delete it, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these services. So type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, and then make a right click, and then click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this Powershell command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will install all the Windows default apps, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see these errors in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is done, you will see everything red. Once that is done, now you can try to install or open phone link and then check. Still not working, try installing from library or downloads. So you can open Microsoft Store, and once you open it, now you can go to download option over here. In downloads, if you see phone link somewhere, you can try to install it from here if you see phone link, or you can even go to library and you can find phone link and then check. If that does not work, go to downloads. Over here you can click on check for update, and if you see update all option, you can update everything over here and then check. Next is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. This command is provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. It will be gone once you run that command. It will be gone. Once uninstall, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window and then hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you can try to launch it and then try to install it. Still not working, run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow, copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. The command is provided in the video description. Once the scan, this will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on it. Go to advanced tab, scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked over here and then hit apply. Apply is important, and then click on OK, relaunch store and then check. Still not working, update Windows. Now for this you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use fix problems using Windows update option. Open Windows settings, go to Windows update, advanced option, recovery option, and here you can see fix problems using Windows update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down, here you can see this is the Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now click on accept over here, and by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. Still not working, the last step is to reset Windows. Now when you reset Windows, you will lose all the data on your computer, data and application on your computer. So create a backup first. To reset Windows 11, you have to go to Windows update, advanced option, recovery option. Here you can see reset this PC, click on reset PC. Here keep my files will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. Remove everything will remove all your personal file, application and settings. So you can select the option which you want, and then you can go for in local download, cloud download, or local reinstall. You can try any one and then reset your computer. And once the reset is complete, you have to set up your computer once again. You have to start everything from scratch. Once this is done, you can try to install PhoneLink. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install PhoneLink successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.